We are on our way to the Garnet Ghost Town. There's still quite a bit of smoke in the air. We came across a little grave site. Really cool.
We're in the old town of Garnet. Checking it out here in Montana. Just seeing them windows there, Jill.
It's so cool. So you can check it out.
Flashlights and summer nights.
Check that out. Let's see what else we see.
Some say, oh, just let it go. Then you left, whoa, with the test of dry toes.
Whew.
Put a little jelly on it. Put a little jelly on it. Put a little jelly on it.
Double crapper.
Put a little jelly on it.
Come on, Jill, let's sit down. Take, oh, it's a triple crapper, the whole family. Would you just look at that? Come on, Jill, sit next to me. Right next to me. Come on, Jill, sit down next to me. Let's do this. Where are we? In the crapper.
We're in the crapper. There's room for one more.
One more can join us. Right here, I don't know if y'all can see that.
We just left Garnet Mine Ghost Town. And we decided to take a single track road around a mountain to get to the highway.
There's nowhere to turn around.
Yep, it said once you take this road, you're taking it. There's no turnouts, but oh my gosh.
Put a little jelly on it and make it sweet. Make it sweet.
We're in Phillipsburg. I'm looking for some sapphires here. Let's check it out.
A broken heart. All fit together. Time to restart. Some say, oh, just let it go.
Yeah,
Then you let
There's gold in them downhills.
that's true.
So put a little jelly on it. Put a little jelly on it.
One of the dilemmas you run into on the road is when do you stop driving? And when is it a good time to call it camp time? You want a truck?
Just keep trucking and get used to that comfortable seat. Some road food.
Okay,
And side of the road camping.
there's your answer.
Time to restart.
We're at the Salt Pass, just out of Wyoming here. Elevation 7,638 feet.
It's pretty awesome.
Put a little jelly on it. 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 And make it sweet. Make it sweet.
What you doing there?
I'm tying this towel with our swimsuits around it so I don't have to carry it. We're walking to a waterfall
The light.
out here in some mountains in Utah. Don't ask me where.
Enjoy the stars. And ride the waves.
You didn't like that trail?
Say,
Well, we're almost
let
done.
it go.
Getting close. You're doing good.
Then you let, oh, with the taste of dry toes. So put a little jelly on it. Put a little jelly on it. Put a little jelly.
Yeah, we just had to stop and add some brake fluid. We're gonna just leave it as it is and let the brakes guys check her out tomorrow.
That's cool. We're in our first awesome campsite of the trip.
And our chairs are set up, and we're gonna play some guitar, and maybe take a shower if they have one. Kind of spoiling ourselves. Yeah, or else there's that hose over there that I already checked out. The water's on, and I can hold the handle on while you wash your hair or something like that.
Perfect. Got our van kind of getting ready for bed in there. Sit by the fire and relax a little bit tonight. I'm super, super excited. We love Utah.
We're at the Cougar Town Laundromat, washing our stinky van clothes. We're getting new brakes put on the van, so we're just killing time.
Come down, don't be afraid, my dear.
Stranded in Provo, Utah.
We are taking a rest in the park. We found a shade tree.
The van is ready to go, and they're coming to pick us up. We just left the shop, and the van feels great. Mineral Mountain straight ahead. This is what excites me, driving down an unknown gravel road in the middle of nowhere you don't even know, heading towards a mountain. It's pretty exciting. Well, this is what we got brakes for. Down the mountain canyon. Boy, I'm in second gear and using my brakes.
Look at this.
Not too often I drive through stuff like this.
Secrets to share for the way in the dream.
Hi, Stella.
Paper boats
We made it to our rockhounding spot. So we have a few hours where we can check out those rocks over there.
I take just a little bit high. Some know your words out of paper. Oh. Don't look back, let the darkness shine. Gone with the wind in the tree. Catch a breath, 1, 2, 3. Do you feel the relief?
Looked like a big snake. Is it dead?
Did you see it move? We are out searching for some different minerals and smoky quartz. And it's different kind of mining than we've ever done, rockhounding, so we're having a little bit of a hard time, but I did find a couple pieces.
Do you feel the sweet relief?
We are getting closer to that mountain peak behind us, which is where we want to be. We're going to try and scope out the bottom of that and see if we can find some crystals. Rob found one great crystal yesterday. I found a couple little smoky quartz pieces, but Rob found the monster. We haven't found
Little
anything.
teaser. Now we're hooked.
But we gotta get back there.
Do you feel the sweet
Nothing.
Nothing. We have been all over these mountainsides. I mean, and they just keep going up, and we're kind of scaling the edge of them. We haven't really found anything this morning. We've been hiking all morning and checking some spots, and we're gonna head back to our car, which is on the other side of that cliff somewhere.
This is a brutal mountain. There's up and down, and there's no trails. It's just sagebrush and cactus and rattlesnakes and cow poop.
A lot of cow poop.
Little muddy creek down there. Found some obsidian shards. There's something up here, but it's elusive and we can't find it yet.
We need to do some more research.
Just a little bit high. Send all your words out on paper, but do you feel the sweet release? Do you feel the sweet release?
We did it!
Take just a little bit higher over the bed.
We are in Zion. And we're gonna make our way to Bryce Canyon.
I can take it just a little bit higher. Send all your words out on paper boards. I can take it just a little bit higher over the bed and to the soul. I can take it just a little bit higher. Send all
Bryce
your
Canyon.
words out on paper boards.
Good morning. We drove a little bit too late last night. We ended up in some BLM land fields with some other campers late last night, and now we're gonna hit the road. Brushing our teeth on the side of the road, overlooking a big valley. Pretty epic, huh, babe? You never know where you're gonna brush your teeth.